In the Beehive portal, you can quickly set up and manage your voicemail. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Voicemails tab. To set up your voicemail box, click your avatar here, and then select Personal Settings. Now, click Voicemail Settings. You'll manage your voicemail settings here. It's possible that some of this may have been set up for you in advance by your account's administrator. For added security, you can set up a 4-digit PIN code that you'll use each time you access your voicemail box. If you choose to add a PIN, be sure to check the Always Ask PIN box so that you'll be prompted to enter the PIN each time. By default, the Empty Voicemail Notification option is checked. This means you'll receive an email notification even if the caller doesn't leave you a message and the voicemail is blank. Greetings can be set up in this section. Clicking the cloud icon opens the Sound Manager. You have several options for adding the greeting. You can upload a recording, type a script and have our software convert it to a sound file, or record a greeting by having the system call you. In this example, we'll choose an existing recording from the Sound Manager. Once added, you can play it, access the Sound Manager again to choose a different option, or remove it. A temporary greeting overrides the primary greeting to provide an alternate message when you are away for a longer period. After you return, you can remove this greeting so that your primary greeting takes priority again. Once you've finished setting up your voicemail box, click Save. Now, let's look at how you can manage the voicemail you receive. Click Voicemail in the menu bar. Your list of voicemail messages is shown here. Although there is a limit to the number of voicemails you can keep on your phone, there is no limit to the number of voicemails you can keep on the portal. Another key benefit of viewing your messages on the portal is that there is added detail provided to you. You can view the date and time the voicemail was received, which voicemail box the message is in, if you have more than one voicemail box assigned to you, who it came from, the name or phone number depending on the caller ID, the location, which is helpful if your account has more than one location with a voicemail box attached to it, the status of the voicemail, read or unread. Then, under the voicemail column, you can click play to listen to any message and view the length of the message too. In general, any messages that are 6 seconds or less are likely a hang-up, and so you can choose how to prioritize those less important messages. When you select the play button, you can listen to the message. If you have a pro seat and your account's administrator has enabled voicemail transcription, you can view a transcript of the call here too. By selecting the 3 dots, you can view a summary of the voicemail details and some additional options. For example, you can forward the voicemail to someone else in your organization. Click in the Forward To field. Select the person or people you want to send it to, and click Forward. The voicemail has been sent. You also have the option to download your voicemail as an MP3 file or delete it. Back in the main voicemail page, you can delete multiple voicemails at one time. Click the checkbox next to the messages you'd like to delete. And then you would click Delete Selected. This will permanently remove the messages from your voicemail box. If you'd like to delete everything, click the top checkbox beside Date, and all messages will be selected. If you click Delete Selected, all the messages in this voicemail box will be removed. Let's keep these messages for now. There are a couple of other features you should note too. If you'd like to sort your message by read and unread, you can use these buttons at the top of the page to do that. And if enabled by your account administrator, you may also receive email notifications with your voicemail messages. As a best practice, if you're managing your voicemail through email, you'll still want to pop into the portal and use the features you've just reviewed to manage those emails here too. Now you're all set to use your voicemail.